Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix FiveM could not connect entitlement service status code 403 error. Fix 1. Check Rockstar and FiveM server status. Close FiveM completely and check whether Rockstar game services are experiencing outages. If servers are down, wait until service is restored and try again later. Fix 2. Sign out and back into Rockstar Games Launcher. Open Rockstar Games Launcher and click your profile icon. Now sign out of your account, then restart the launcher. After restarting, sign back in and launch GTA 5 once before opening FiveM. Fix 3. Disable VPN or proxy. Disconnect any VPN service and disable proxy settings if they are enabled. Then restart your PC and launch FiveM and check if the error is gone. Fix 4. Allow FiveM through firewall and antivirus. Open Windows Security and go to Firewall and Network Protection. Now select Allow an app through firewall and ensure both FiveM and Rockstar Games Launcher are allowed on private and public networks. Temporarily disable third-party antivirus software and test again. Fix 5. Clear FiveM cache. Close FiveM and press Windows plus R and then type the same line shown on the screen. Then delete the following folders if they exist: server cache, price, and restart FiveM. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.